Forget everything you know about Google Spreadsheets. In this video here, I'm going to show you how you can use Google AI directly in spreadsheets. It is absolutely insane the stuff you can do. I'm going to show you 7 use cases in this video where you can actually use AI to generate text, extract data, analyze, summarize, and best of all, this isn't some complicated script with expensive setups and a lot of tweaking. No, this is built directly into Google Sheets, and it is wild the stuff you can do. The first example I want to show you is categorization. So we have a list of sports teams here, and I can literally click this equals AI, and then once you have equals AI, we can put in quotes whatever we want, and then we can reference a cell with data and information. So here we say, what professional league does this team play in? And you can see it is linking to the Montreal Canadiens. We can toggle off, and this here, we can hit generate and insert. So it will generate and insert here, and we can see that the Montreal Canadiens are indeed in the National Hockey League. So we can just drag this down, and we can say refresh and insert, and it is going to use Gemini to go through and answer all these questions for us. Such a powerful way of using AI directly in Sheets to categorize information automatically. Before I get to the next use case, don't forget to click the subscribe button because I cover all the latest and greatest AI content on a day-to-day basis, and you want to stay up to date with all this stuff. So click the subscribe button, let's continue. The next example I want to show you is about feelings. So we have, I feel happy when I play outside. So this one here is kind of interesting. It just says classify this sentence as either positive or negative, and we have A2, which is wrong. It should be A1, my mistake, and we can hit generate and insert. So it is going to look at this sentence here, and it's going to say, hey, is it a positive or negative sentence? What is the feeling? And it is indeed positive. So just like before, we can drag this down. We can say, hey, Gemini, solve all this for us, and we can get some feelings based off these sentences. So I feel excited for my birthday. That's a positive feeling. I'm afraid of the dark. That's negative. And I'm worried about my test. Negative. I feel silly when I dance around. That's positive. So it's just a cool way of classifying data that you couldn't do before quickly without having to read through, decipher the information, and now you can have a nice list. The next way of using AI in Google Sheets is through summarization. So we have some sentences here. We are going to simply put AI summarize this info in one very short sentence, and we're just going to quickly drag this down, and we're going to hit generate. And as you can see, I left blanks on purpose. There is no information to summarize because it does not actually exist. So now we can actually go through and we can say, hey, the Apple M series chips improve ultra portable laptop performance, and AI Franklin is comparable to Apple for its power and effectiveness. So thanks, Gemini. And Google's involvement in diverse fields contrasts with its inability to assist with simple tasks like dinner planning, unlike Franklin, which might offer such assistance. I think it really likes me. Just don't look at the original sentences I put in, because then that'll just ruin the magic of what's happening. No, truthfully, it is summarizing the paragraphs I put in. So pretty cool use case right there. The next use case I want to show you is data extraction, and this is really cool. So we have this like customer Jane Smith. We can just say extract the first name from this text, and it should be able to generate and grab just the first name. You can see here we have just grabbed Jane, and just like before, we can just drag this down, refresh, and we will have all the names extracted out. Where did it get some of these names? Oh, okay. Let's get rid of this one, and apparently I am so amazing it just wants to put me in there, but it did work. Robert, Emily, Michael, Sarah. So that works. We also have this version of data extraction, which is really cool. So we can say AI extract the zip code from this text. We can put A1, and now we can generate. It's going to pull it. You can see our number here is 78701. It was able to pull the zip code from the text without us having to go through and manually do this. The next way I want to show you to use AI in spreadsheets is through content generation. So put 5 bullet points of the best things to do in the city, and we can just drag this down, generate with Gemini, and we are going to have 5 things for each city of things to do. So it quickly added content for us. We can also use it to translate stuff. So AI, translate this text to French, and we can just drag down, and I'm going to need someone in the comments to hopefully let me know if this worked. But again, it's just Gemini doing the translation. If it works, great. If there is errors, then I am unaware because I don't actually speak French. But anyway, here it is, translation, one language here to the other, nice and quick. The last use case of AI in spreadsheets is social media. So I have this one here, equals AI, using this text, generate a catchy title for a YouTube video that is between 80 and 90 characters. And then we put A1, which is where we wanted to grab it from. So let me just fix this. There we go. We're going to drag this down and boom. Just like that, I have 3 titles ready to go for my videos. It is such a powerful way to use Google Spreadsheets. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely subscribe for more AI content. Leave a comment down below. Are you using AI in your spreadsheets? How are you using it? Let us know, because your ideas might help other people, and other people might chime in and say, hey, try this or do that. It's a community of ideas and growth with AI. So again, if you enjoyed this, subscribe, thumbs up the video, because that tells the YouTube algorithm you enjoy this type of content, you want to see more of it, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
AI tools, AI news, AI prompts you can use. It's all for free, just come and see.